everyone, welcome to Restobrain.ai. In this video, I'll show you a quick overview of our POS and show you how easy it is to take an order. After you log in and press POS, you'll get to this screen. If you want to make a quick order, you can select the menu item and press Pay Now, take the orders, or you can also do Pay Later. But if you want to do store pickup and delivery orders and want to make it more specific, you can do that as well. While taking a store order, the name is mandatory. First name, let's say Harry's for now, and you can go continue order, take more orders. You can choose the size from here. If you want to make any modification, you can do it from here. If you want to add extras, you can do that as well, and you can go Pay Later. If you want to change that to pickup, you can do that as well. Press the store button on the buttons, like I did, and you can change it to pickup. But for pickup order, the phone number is mandatory. Put the phone number, and if you want to make this as a delivery order, then you need to make sure you have a delivery address and the method of payment. The phone number and the name are mandatory as well. So after that, you can press Pay Later. Once the order is taken, if you have a printer, it will print the receipt. If you want to use a KDS, then it will go to the KDS as well. To check for KDS is very easy. You go on, press on Exit, and press on Make a Page. This is our KDS. This is where you can see all the orders. Orange means running late, red means late, and the order just taken is all good if there is nothing in there. And once the order is done, you can just go to bump it from here with your touch screen, or you can do it from your mouse or bump bar as well. Once it is done, then you should be able to see that in the customer screen. If you have a customer screen, this screen is normally for busy cafes and with less space inside. You can use this to check the status of the order. The setting here is used for the printer configurations, which I can show you in my next videos. This is for how you want to set up your homepage in the POS. For the meantime, I'll quickly show you an overview here. This order section here is from the order list. You can see all the orders here. You can filter if you are looking for any specific orders, paid, unpaid, or source of the orders. And if there's anything paid that you want to make a payment for, you can just go here as well and make a payment from here. Or if you want to add more or delete something, you can modify orders. You can look at the order and delete or add something different. And after that, you can go Pay Later, or you can make them faint. So going back, I'll just go Pay Later after I modify it. You can also get an option to print the docket if you want to get a new docket. If you don't want it, just cross it. And that's it for the orders. This here is for the manager to see the overall performance of the people taking order or featured orders. So you can clearly see here if there are any time delays or anything according to your time management. It is all here, and you can manage your kitchen simply from the office. And this one here is for the time management. If you want to make any changes with the time of your orders, you can do it from here. You can change it and you can move it. If you want to do the changes with the time of the pickup, with the web or deliveries, with the web, you can do it here and simply press update. And if you want to pause any orders, if it's really busy or you want to just close the store now, you can do it from here. If you want to do it by date and by minutes, you can do it from here. Or you can also set it to a time, whatever, like let's say 1 to 12:30 or whatever. And you can do it from there as well. This right here is for the sales. You can see all the daily, all weekly, or whatever sales you want to check. This is for the menu management. So if you don't like the layout, or if you want something different like the buttons or something better for your convenience, you can always change it. Just go to add and bring whatever you want to select. For example, margarita, and you can update it. And this section here is for clock-ins. If you want your staff to clock in from the POS, you can do it from here as well. So these things, this QR will only be valid for 5 minutes, but you can get them to scan this once, and they'll be able to clock in from their mobile app. In the next video, I'll show you how the mobile apps works and how the clock in, clock outs works. Again, quickly, if you want to take an order for a walk-in customer, you can go here, store, get the name. The name is mandatory. Get the names, and you can take an order, whatever they want to take. And you can go pay later or pay now. If you want to change that to pickup, you can just press the button beside store and change it to pickup. With pickup, the phone number is mandatory. If you want that as delivery, you can press delivery. If phone number is again mandatory, and there will be a delivery address. If you need to change the address, you can just cross it and put the full address there. For example, let's say it's 20 Emery Avenues, and just select one of the address on the suggestions. And the payment type is mandatory as well, so let's select that. And if you want to do pay later, or you can also do pay now, I'll just do pay later for now. So this is how you can take orders. If you want to give discounts, you can do it from here, from this section. We may have a role restriction for using this section. Some roles will only be allowed to give a discount or make any modifications. If there are any changes, or if you want to refund or do a cancellation, they may have a role restriction as well. So they will have to log in with their user details and write a reason for cancellations. For example, if I wanted to do a refund for this order here, if I go refund and press refund, I can give a refund that way. For now, I'll just leave it. I won't refund it for now. But if I go to refund, it will ask me for my user details and the reason why the refund's being done. That way, the owner will know if there are any issues or is any refund happened during the day. In my next video, I'll show you how to take table orders, set up the table and table bookings. For now, this is all, and thank you for watching.